How to send direct messages on Instagram in 2021. Others I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the firstly what you have to do is you have to go to the any of the profile that you want to send messages, any of the person's profile pictures. So firstly you have to go to your search bar, and then you can go to any of the profile that you want. Let's see, I go to this profile of the Roman rings. So what you have to do then is you have to you can see the following and message button. So you have to click on the message button, and here you can type any of the message text. Here you can add them. You can also take a picture, and then you can send it to them. Send it to You can also send picture by clicking on this camera button. You can say you can send the uh, voice messages by clicking on this voice message. And you can see the emoji button here. When you click on the emoji button, you can also send the emoji here. So you click on the emoji that you want to send, and then you can also and in the left side of emoji you can see this picture like button. So when you click on this, then here you can see send a photo a photo to them. You can also send a photo from your gallery. So that's basically that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.